Hi everyone, this is Sarah, the Catholic Homemaker. Today I'm going to be sharing how I bought $105 or less than $105 worth of organic groceries, and there was a store around us that was just going out of business. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and please consider subscribing to my channel so we can grow our community. And hit the like button if you like this video, comment below and share it as well, and hit the notification bell for all notifications so you know when I post, which is every Monday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. So here it is. All right, so here's my receipt. As you can see, I either got 50 or 40% off of each item. And here's the total, $104.35. And the store was Vilo, which was going out of business. I heard it from my father, who said that you better check it out. They're going through like February 28th, so we may go back. But anyway, I grabbed some things that I normally wouldn't buy, like since we have gotten on a stricter budget, I have not been buying things like this, like treats or beef jerky. Like, I know in my beef jerky video recently I said you'll never have to buy it again. Well, I broke that rule because these were really on sale and we were hungry. Oh, my little helper is stacking things too high. Okay, so we don't want to break any glass, but okay. So normally I wouldn't buy things like this, but they were a good price, and I thought it might be a good little lunch for us, or sometimes it might be good to have on the go, and I just simply wanted that treat for myself, and that one too. Maybe for my husband too. So this is a really good one. They have some really clean ingredients in there, and same with this Perfect Bar. It's certified organic. That's most of the ingredients. I think you can see all the ingredients there. So then the Epic brands, I will in a little bit, okay? Let me finish this. So the Epic brands, they have pasture-raised meat. So this is bison and bacon bites. This is sweet sesame ginger chicken bites. And this one I'd never tried before, but it's grass-fed beef and it's honey bourbon. That's what we ate for our lunch. So that's why it's open. And we got a couple other bars, which is Raisins and Sesame chicken. And I got, let's see, 9 cans of anchovies because they were, I think, like $1.15 each. I got a couple cans of this Safe Catch tuna, and it has the least amount of mercury in it. There were a bunch of others, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna buy them or not. They were more expensive, so these two were less expensive. I got these Bar Harbor, I think that's how they say it, Bar Harbor chopped sea clams, and they were really clean ingredients right there. And then we have organic salsa I got, and I got 5-spice powder, which is organic, and organic mustard seeds. They were really cheap compared to what they normally would be. And then I got a bunch of organic peanut butter, Santa Cruz and Smucker's cooked organic beets, which I love because I don't have to peel them. And they were $2, so not the best price, but like enough for me to want to pay for them. And then I got these drinks that I love from Bragg's, which is the organic apple cider vinegar drinks. This one was, we were drinking in the car, and same with these ones right here. And I got the Primal Kitchen organic barbecue sauce, some organic balsamic vinegar. It doesn't have any sulfites in it, which I love. And then I got 4 of these Ecos dish detergent or dishwashing soap, and I got a bunch of marinara and organic tomato basil pasta sauce, some organic molasses, which was a great price, and I got some of these Bucci organic kombuchas. I got 1 of each flavor: peach ginger molasses, coconut blueberry elderberry, orange mango sea buckthorn, ginger cayenne, and then I got this Kavita lemon ginger and the GT's Gingerade as well. And I think that's it, you guys. But here is another look at the receipt to just see how much I got taken off of everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye, and may God bless you.